Good morning. It's day 3, actually day 4. Trying to get the combines in the background here. Sort of, kind of there. Day 4 of being in Highwood already. So as far as yesterday goes, we had the day off. We ran up against some green wheat on Saturday. So the farm gave everybody the day off yesterday. Jim and I ran into Great Falls and picked up a few items that we needed at Walmart. Visited with our really good friends that are part of the New Holland Harvest Support, which was a lot of fun. Got to catch up with Monty and Carolyn for a little bit before we headed home. A good afternoon, a nice break, and let's see what today brings. Well, it looks like Brett or Dennis have been out spraying already this morning. Just coming up over the hill here. It's getting closer. It's a little on the chilly side this morning. I hate to say that because home has a predicted high of like 103 or something. Heat index is, I don't know, 110, 115, unbelievably hot. That humidity will make you stay inside for sure. Must be moving the auger, I'm guessing. Oh, and I see Browntown's hooked up to a trailer. Does that mean Jim's gonna do a little trucking? All these questions. There he is. Might get to go for a truck ride. What's going on?
I'm just trying to be useful, hooking up the truck and putting it away.
Oh, I thought maybe we were going to get to take a truck ride.
No. The ETC is, or rather ETD is 8:30 or so.
Okay.
You know what that is?
Estimated time of departure?
Yeah, because I asked him what the ETC was, so we made a new, is that an accurate, what's the word? What's the word for that?
Acronym?
Acronym? Maybe acronym.
What's ETC then?
Estimated time of cutting.
Oh, okay, ETC.
So that's the term for the year.
Okay, new term. What are you doing, Brett?
Oh, nothing.
I don't believe that. You're never not doing nothing. You're never not doing nothing.
Sprayed this morning. Now I'm welding a hitch on old Blue here.
See, you're always doing something.
Gosh, what?
We've got sibling fighting going on over here. Oh, it smells so good in here. Thanks to that.
I got you. Yeah, I'm just gonna dump direct onto a cart here so you don't have to worry about it. And then, like I was telling Katie, you can go right down by, the first switch back to the east where that old schoolhouse is. Yeah, the shag pad? No, the road before that. You can come down to the north there. that's how you're going to go. You don't necessarily have to follow these combines when we go that
Well,
way.
looks like Charles is going with Uncle Dave today.
Tracy's filming in there.
everybody's attention here for a second. I just got a text from the candy man. He wants to know if there's any special requests for the year. You'll have to think about it and let me know at supper.
Just don't say Candyman 3 times in the meter. Along with regular old caramels either.
Well, and he mentioned fudge, and I don't think there's very many fudge eaters. And the corn was good, the caramel corn, so you'll just have to think. This is really steep, really steep. At least somebody cut out that ditch for me. Thank goodness. I remember this field now. It's quite memorable with the steep hills and rocks, that's for sure. Jim doesn't make a sudden stop. back to the farm. Not sure. I'm guessing it's probably close to supper time. I don't know if we're done for the night. I would doubt it. It's probably what I should do too. Okay, looks like we have tater tot casserole.
Ooh, tater tot.
Broccoli,
Broccoli.
Charles.
Yeah.
Little bread bites, salad. What else? Strawberries. Get out of there. Oh! Looks yummy. And homemade dilly beans.
Yeah. About 478? Yeah. Okay. Field peas? No. What are we? Okay.
Probably can't see the mosquitoes as we entered the alfalfa field here. They just started swarming like crazy. There's a lot of them this year.
478. Okay. Say went to 5. Yeah. Okay.
Trying to get our combines tuned in. It looks like it might be a little bit different wheat variety. Still hard red winter wheat. And of course the two X9s are not the same settings as Jim and mine. Not sure if this is clouds or smoke or both. We lost our sunshine for sure. They have their hoodies on because of the mosquitoes, not because it's cold. They're so bad. Hey Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.